Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw house. Let's draw some windows. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's draw sun. It's a sunny day. Some bushes, trees, and some grass. Let's make it more prominent. Let's color together. We are using red color. Which color? This is red color. Red color. This is red color. Which color is this? This is red color. Good job. Yellow color. To color the sun, we are using yellow color. Which color we are using? We are using yellow color. Yellow color. Which color is this? This is yellow color. For sun, we are using yellow color. Light green color. Light green color. Light green color. Purple color. Purple color. Which color is this? This is purple color. We are using purple color. Pink color. We are using pink color. Orange color. To color the door, we are using orange color. Brown color. To color the stairs, we are using brown color. Dark green color. To color the tree, we are using dark green color. Dark green color. Light blue color. To color the windows, we are using light blue color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Pink color. Pink color. This is pink color. we are using pink color. This is pink color. To color the grass, we are using light green color. Light green color. This is light green color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.